Bitcoin has reclaimed its $40,000 level. The crypto market has cooled from yesterday's crash. Right now, the price of Bitcoin at the time while I'm recording this video is at $40,000 level. It has successfully bounced from 28,000 to 30k level, support level. If you remember, yesterday I have shared this picture on the VIP and the free channel. In a bull market, 30 to 40% corrections are normal, but today's dump seems to be greater than 50%. You know what that means. See you on the next bull run. This means from the previous history of bull market in the crypto market or in the Bitcoin bull market, Bitcoin has seen 30 to 40% multiple corrections, more than 3 corrections, either 30, 35, maximum 40. But yesterday's dump was more than 50%, around 54%. That means the price of Bitcoin in the crypto market total market cap has fallen 50%. More than half percentage of the crypto market has gone. What does that mean? From the history, it tells that it's the start of bear market, but that doesn't mean always this happens. So following this picture, I have also shared this one, saying if we are gonna bounce from this level, hold me mama support level, that's around 20k to 30k. So if you are gonna bounce from this level, Bitcoin will successfully come back to 40,000 level like this, and if we break that 40k level, again we are gonna reclaim our 50, then next 60k level. But if we are not gonna hold this 30k level, we will fall to 20, then next 10. So this picture was from yesterday. It seems like right now Bitcoin has successfully reclaimed its 40,000 level. The next step for Bitcoin is to play a little bit around here, maybe go up and down, then break this 40,000 level, flip this resistance into support, then bounce up from here, go back to 50k level. If this scenario happens successfully, if this structure plays out, Bitcoin and the cryptocurrency market will still remain in a bull market. That means it will be safe for us to trade, to buy tokens and stay in the crypto market. But what if the opposite happens? The opposite scenario will be Bitcoin playing out here, breaking the 30k level, flipping that support into resistance, then bouncing back down to maybe 20k or 10k level. In my opinion, this scenario will play out less likely, because on this cycle of bull market, there are institutions. There are many institutions buying Bitcoin. The government is considering investing in Bitcoin. The government is allowing institutions to accept Bitcoin payments, cryptocurrency payments. So this bull run, I think for me, it's different from the previous ones like 2017 and 2013, because that time there was no adoption of cryptocurrency market. There was, but there was a little. People knew less about Bitcoin. People knew less about cryptocurrency market. But right now, it's getting adopted. Many people have started to accept payments in Bitcoin and any other tokens like Ethereum and BNB. You can book flight, you can book hotel, anything like this. So I think we will bounce from here, maybe flip this 40k level as a support and play a little bit, then bounce up to 50k. So to form a new all-time high, we have to play out here. Let me draw a resistance at 50k level. This area will be very crucial for Bitcoin, because we have been testing this area multiple times. Guys, look at this area. We have tested this area. It's around 58 to 60k. Again, bounced from here, bounced up. There was a breakout here, but it seems like this is a fake breakout. Then we came back down, again flipped that support into resistance, and it rejected the price. There were FUDs yesterday, as I told you. There were multiple FUDs, coordinated FUDs in the crypto market. So this all crashed the market straight down to 30k level. So right now, if you are gonna play around here and flip this 40k level as a support and go back to 59 to 60k, that will be very good scenario to play out. Then finally, if Bitcoin breaks this 59 and 60k level and plays above this level for a little while, then that will be super bullish, guys. I'll be super bullish that time. Right now I'm neutral, because this area right here, it's a neutral stage for me. I'm not buying any kind of cryptocurrencies right now because we don't know what kind of scenario is going to play out. If Bitcoin is going to flip this 30k level as a resistance and go down straight back, that would be very great discount for us to buy that time. And if it goes back to above 40 level, above 40k level, that will be also another good opportunity. I mean, we will be sure and that will be less risky for us. So right now I'm waiting for the price of Bitcoin to flip this resistance as a support, go back and play here from 45 to 50 or maybe 60k level. That will be super bullish for another altcoins like Ethereum, BNB, and less market cap cryptocurrencies. So today my video is not all about cryptocurrency. I'm going to talk about boom and crash also. I haven't been sharing information about boom and crash since a while because there were manipulations. As I told you many times, I tell you about this because binary assets, they are not backed by any physical assets, so we have to be very careful. Now let's see what is going on in the binary market, not crypto market. So this is Boom 500 and it's a daily chart. By the way, you can see the chart of boom and crash in TradingView. It's integrated in your binary account. Go to binary.com, log into your account, go to resources, then you will get the TradingView chart like this. It's super cool and neat. There are many instruments. So this is the daily chart of Boom 500. As you can see, the market looks like it's playing out structure. Let me show you this. It's a head and shoulder. We have a shoulder here, we have shoulder here and head here. It looks like head and shoulder, right? Yeah, so it broke this head and shoulder neckline. This is the neckline. As I told you, these kind of patterns, they play out often in market, in crypto market, forex market, stock market. So if you see this kind of pattern with shoulder, left shoulder and right shoulder with a head, then finally the market breaks this neckline, that's a good opportunity. That's a good opportunity for you to trade. But right now, if you look at the market on the daily market, it seems it has successfully broken this neckline. This is the neckline. So the neckline has been broken successfully and market price came back to the neckline and it's playing near that neckline. That means we are probably going to bounce up from here. I have told you this many times, guys. Boom 500 has been going down since forever. Like we need this kind of big confirmation, maybe huge pattern like this to turn bullish on Boom 500. Boom 500 is still on a bearish market. Let me show you this. Let me remove this, and if you draw a trend line from the previous times like this plays out to be a bearish trend, right? The market has been going down since, I don't know, look, tested here, tested the trend line here, again here, 3 times it has touched this trend line. That means the trend line will be successful for us. We can use the trend line to confirm trade. Right now, if you see, the market has broken this trend line successfully, but if you look at the chart, it has been going down since 2020 08. Right now we are in 2021 05. That's around 6 months maybe. So it has been going down. We need more confirmation, not only this small breakout from the trend. We need to play out around here to be very bullish on Boom 500. Maybe for scalping you can still trade because we have broken the trend line. Sorry for this. We have broken the trend line. Let me zoom in and go to 4-hour time frame. If you go to the lower time frame like 4 hour, you will see the clear chart of Boom 500. Okay, let's see this. This is 4-hour time frame. If you see, this area is here an accumulation period. Boom 500 has been accumulating here. That means consolidating for a little while. Let's draw a rectangle here in the consolidation phase. If you see this rectangle, the market has been playing inside this rectangle for a while. Right now we broke out of this rectangle, right? See this area, all these rejections tells us that the uppermost level of this rectangle is a successful resistance. It's a valid resistance. But Finally, the market price broke this resistance. What does it mean? It means that the market is finally turning bullish. It's coming out of this accumulation period, and right now the market is playing near this support area because this was resistance in the previous time. After market breaking this resistance, it turns or flips into support. Right now this will be support, so it has been supporting the price. Look, 1, 2 and 3 right here. So this means we can look for a bullish opportunity. Let me draw a resistance here like this. Right now, zoom in and go to lower time frame. If you have stayed with me in my Telegram channel or maybe YouTube, you know how to do this strategy. It's very easy. You just identify support and resistance areas on the higher time frame like this. You draw the confluence zone or this kind of rectangle. Then you go back to the lower time frames like 1 hour and 15 minutes for entry or sniper entry. So this is 1 hour time frame. Now draw a trend line like this. If you draw this trend line, it has been tested many times. Look this area, 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 times the market has come to this trend line and tested this. So that means if you buy at this level, if you wanna buy early, you can buy right now at this level and put your stop loss just below this box level. You see, this has been like acting as support many times. That means still it's a valid support. So if you buy right now and put the stop loss just below this box, that would be good entry, I think. So maybe if you want more confirmation, wait for the market to break this trend line. Most of the time what happens in binary is if you wait for this kind of confirmation, like let's say the market plays out here, breaks the trend line and retests, go up like this. Let's say you enter around here, it breaks the trend line like this, you enter here. Where are you going to put your stop loss? If you put your stop loss at the middle of this market play out, it will come back and touch your stop loss. If you put here, the stop loss will be far. So the basic thing you have to follow is you have to put always stop loss below confluence zones like this. So enter now like this. Remember, this is not financial advice, okay? It's just for educational purpose. So if you want to wait for the market to play out and break this trend line, maybe you can also wait. So this is the chart of Boom 1000. It's a 4-hour time frame. As you can see, there is a pattern that's playing out right now. First of all, let's identify the market reversals. Here the market has reversed it, here it has reversed it, here it has reversed it, and right now also it has reversed it from this level. That means we can connect these dots together like this. Finally, we get a trend line. So let's draw a trend line connecting all the endpoints of these reversals. Then on the lower level also, if you see, there is a market reversal here, here, here. So it seems like these market reversal points are at the same level. Approximately they are at the same level. So that means that area can be support. So these 3 points can be connected together like this by a confluence zone or a box. So this box is a valid support for us. If the market comes back to this support level and plays out here, we can buy at this level or maybe wait for the market to break this box. If it breaks downside or maybe retests right here, you can sell the market and it will go down. Or if it plays around here and bounces up, you can buy here, put stop loss down below the box. Then you can take your profit around this level. Okay, now let's see what is happening in Crash 500. Crash 500, this is 8-hour time frame, and there is no clear pattern that's playing out, but I see market reversal at this level, and this level. That means we can connect these together. Let's draw a trend line here connecting these 3 points together. Let's make it very accurate like this. Try to connect those wicks and the candles together like this. Yeah, so if you see this, the market is right now, the price is near the trend line. It looks like it's breaking the trend line. If you need more confirmation, wait for the market to go a little far from the trend, then you can sell here, put your stop loss above the trend line, then maybe target some amount of dollar according to your account balance. So but I don't recommend selling right now. Let's go to 4-hour time frame and let's see what is happening. In the lower time frames, if you go to 1 hour or 4 hour, you will see the clear image of the market. The market will tell you a sniper entry, where to enter, where to put your stop loss, where to take a profit. So I always prefer going back down to the lower time frames. So if you zoom in, still it looks like it's breaking this trend line. Now let's go to 1 hour time frame. So this is 1 hour time frame. There is nothing new on 1 hour time frame also, because I don't see any bearish momentum here. There has been a great, like, huge bearish momentum. We came from we broke this flag, bearish flag. We came here, played out a bearish flag and broke this bearish flag, and this could have been a good trade for you if you were there. But right now we missed this, and right now it's at the trend line. The trend line can be support and resistance, remember. So you don't have to sell right now. Wait for the market maybe to go a little bit down, come back to the trend line, play out here, test the resistance, then you can sell when it breaks these support levels or these market reversal levels. Okay guys, on Crash 1000 I don't see any kind of good pattern or good setup right now to trade. So this is Crash 1000 8-hour time frame. There is nothing clear playing out right now, but we can draw a trend line like this and wait for the market to come up to this trend line and draw another trend line on the lower level also like this. Yeah, this looks like a falling wedge. You know, falling wedge means the market comes like this, plays out inside the falling wedge, goes up this. So the market breaks this falling wedge upside and comes back, retests it at the confluence zones like this, support levels, then it bounces up bananas. Or maybe sometimes it can break downside also. So this is it. Crash 1000, it looks like this. It's playing out the bearish or a falling wedge pattern. So through time we will see what is gonna happen to all this crash, boom, and also in cryptocurrency. For Bitcoin, is it gonna take back its 40,000 level? Is it gonna reclaim its 40,000 level, then 50,000, or is it gonna go back to 30, then maybe break it? Yeah, we'll see that. I will update you guys. See you next time.